I just want to kind of check on these potatoes. They're pretty much done died out. I want to see if there's anything in here. A lot of these have ants in them, and I'm wondering if the ants haven't ate up my potatoes that are in them, these bags. But we're gonna try and see. Maybe this one don't have so many ants. Potatoes are going bad. Oh my gosh. No, that was the main potato. That was the seed potato. Okay. I think that was, yeah, that was the seed potato. That is regular potato. Yay. So maybe they are ready. It was a big seed potato. So it was 1 potato per bag, or maybe I put 2 in a bag. So that kind of makes me happy. Yes, we know this is the seed potato. I'm gonna chunk that over there. My potatoes are ready, y'all. Okay. Well, we've been having rain and everything, and so I didn't know if I was gonna get any potato harvest yet. But okay. Now I need to see in this bag if there's any potatoes besides those 2 from that 1 seed potato. And I'm hoping there's no ants in here. Maybe it just gave me 2 from that 1. Not feeling anything else, y'all. They don't really go as deep. They're not like sweet potatoes. White potatoes don't go as deep. So I'm thinking that was it with these 2 potatoes for that 1 potato, which is not bad. I mean, 2 potatoes from 1 potato, that's double the seed, right? Okay, I'm gonna put them. Now, you know, that makes me curious and want to look in some more bags that don't have ants in them. Okay, this bag don't seem to have ants in them. Nope. Let's pull and see. Okay, there's a little one. The seed potato got to be somewhere up in there. Okay, let's see, y'all. I think this was the seed potato here, and these were the babies. The babies. I know this don't supposed to be a potato harvest video. I don't know exactly what this video was supposed to be, but I think this was a regular seed potato. Even though it looks nice and big, it looked like, shoes, I could have another potato. I mean, it don't look bad like it, but I know this was the seed potato. But it still looked like a good potato. I don't know. We're gonna hold on to it. We're gonna hold on to it. Just no, we shouldn't. It's the seed one. Okay. So we have these little cluster. I don't know if there's more in there. I didn't even dig down. These mosquitoes are firing me up, y'all. Firing me up. Nope. That's it with that potato. Little bitty ones. And I am sweating like crazy as well. Okay. Let's see. That's a weed. And well, is this a seed potato too or no? No, this is not a seed potato. This grew off of the branch. Yay! Okay, that's a nice size. Now the branches are coming out of this potato, so this makes this the seed potato. The seed potatoes didn't even seem like they broke down much. But this is definitely one. Ooh, yeah, okay. So I'm getting double the yield on the potato. Yeah, I'm gonna do one more. Which one? Any, mini, miny, mody. Which one should I promote? Or this one in front of me? This one got ants, y'all. This one do got some. I think they just some surface ants though. I don't think they're like got a mess in them. Okay. Okay. That is the seed potato. Okay. This one is a seed. Yeah. Branches are coming out of that one. Oop. It must have two up in there. Oop. Okay. Again, with the two potatoes from one. Okay. I don't mind that. I know, I said one more. Let me see where we at on time. We good, we good. We can watch one more, and then this week I'm gonna have to take these three out and then that whole toad over there. Okay, that would be a different video. This is just because CC wants to unearth stuff. Woohoo, woohoo. Okay. We do have to find a seed potato in there. This is not a seed potato. Okay. Nice. Give me these potatoes. All right. This is the seed potato. This needs to be taken out of there. Weeds. Goodbye, weeds. Goodbye. Goodbye. Okay. So, we don't have 2. We have 6. We have 6. We have 6. All right. Look at that. It's enough to make me some potato salad. There we go. Enough to make some potato salad. Yeah. And then some other stuff I harvested was that Anaheim pepper, that brown jalapeno, and them little tomatoes there. Very good. And these give these bags, I'll amend these bags and I'll figure out what I'm going to plant in here. Next, I'm thinking what I'm probably gonna do is I need something to build the nitrogen up in this bag. So I'm thinking I don't really want to plant beans, but I may. I don't know. Or I just may cover this with some hay or some straw and cover this, because what I can do is grow my cabbages in here. So I think that'll be 8 cabbages right here. I'll grow 1 per bag, since they do fairly get pretty big. I'll grow yeah, 1 per bag, so that'll make 8 cabbages. That would be right here. All right, y'all, I'm not gonna stay out here. It is hot. Yeah, it's hot. I'm gonna clean this mess up. I gotta take these potatoes in, wash them off, because I'm going to peel them and make potato salad. If you wanted to cure them, you want to not wash them. Do not wash them. You want them to keep with the, you know, you can kind of dust some of the dirt off, but you don't want to wash those potatoes if you're for long time storage. But I'm not doing long time storage. I'm about to eat them tomorrow. They will be potato salad for tomorrow. So yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna get off here. I hope you enjoyed this randomly with the wasps. Definitely need wasps in your garden. I know we were like, no, I don't want wasps, but wasps is what's eating these hornworms that eats these caterpillars. They do that. The bees come along and pollinate you know, things that's going on. And then you know, I checked on my cucumbers, and we did a little potato harvest. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure that you give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please join CC's Texas Garden, and I'll see you next time.